Now, welcome back. So let's do a project now. We are going to pick components from the components panel and drop on the workspace and do a project of our choice. We will start from power supply. We are going to first of all do a power supply unit, which we will later use for other projects, because basically in installation, every sub-circuit picked from the consumer unit where they are protected. So we are going to design our power supply now. I'll go to project, file, new project. Okay. Now what do I need? I need power supply source. I will drag and drop it. I need meter. I will drag and drop it. Align it as I want. I need consumer unit. I will drag it, drop it, align it as I want. Now, this my consumer unit is an empty box, empty consumer unit. I don't have anything on the DIM rail so far. So I will need main switch and MCBs on the DIM rail. But however, I can still decide to wire it first before dropping the protective devices. So now I'm going to hide the details to keep space on the workspace. I will equally open my terminals, open my devices to see my terminals. I'll just go to open so that I can now see the terminals to do my wiring. So now, having done that, I will now do my wiring. So I'm going to give this 10 mm because it's my supply line. My neutral line, I will equally give it 10 mm as well. I'll click on it. 10 mm, good. Now, the output of the meter, I will keep it as straight as I can to make my wiring neat. So, good, perfect. So, same, click on it, 10 mm, fine. The neutral, 10 mm as well. The CPC, I'll give CPC 2.5 mm. Good. So now I am done with the wiring. Let me put the main switch. The main switch, I can decide to use isolator main switch or use ROCD. So I'm going to choose ROCD for more protection. So I will drag ROCD, keep on the workspace, double click it to change the features. I'm going to make it use as main switch, so it will serve me as main switch, not just ordinary ROCD. So I will drag it, put on the DIM rail, click, it snaps in. I will pick MCB. I have to make sure I pick the main switch first so that it will work. If not, it's not going to work. That's how the design is structured. So pick MCB, click to change the feature. This is 16. I want 6 amp because it's lightning point I'm doing first. So I will drop it on the DIM rail. It snaps in. Now I think I'm okay with only one MCB for now, so I'm not doing much. So if I want to do again, put another one, I can add, but for now I'm okay with this. So basically I am done with this wiring as my consumer unit. It is now ready for any sub-circuit. This is my main neutral, my main terminal, my circuit breaker. So if I want to attach another circuit now, it's very much good to go. So at this point, I'm going to save it as a unit so that I can equally use it later. I'll just highlight everything. Now go to File, Save as a unit. Put the name and put the description. This will be highlighted. I will now click Save as a unit. It will be saved. So when I save it, it will come under Power Unit, to come under panels, under the component panels, under Power Unit. That is where it will appear. I can equally use it whenever I want to use it again. That is this for now. In the next video, I'm going to attach one point of light controlled by a one-way switch to this power supply. Thank you for being attentive and paying attention. And bye.